As far as Doge support floor, it in a real sense is currently $0.056 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin cost examination certainly is bullish today in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin really has a medium-term obstruction at $0.064, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Doge really rose 11.38% in 7 days in an essentially significant manner. 15 July 2023. In this article, we will sort of walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for the following week and attempt to answer these much of the time generally sought clarification on pressing issues. Facts. What certainly is genuinely transient cost expectation for Dogecoin certainly is Doge a truly wise venture, which sort of is genuinely critical. Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so forth, which by and large is genuinely critical. Yet prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the Doge specialized examination, basically let us, all things considered, discuss the really current economic situations in an exceptionally enormous manner. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there really was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,216,031,446,891, or so they especially thought. The exceptionally complete exchanging volume especially remains at $29,444,606,376, which truly shows that Dogecoin certainly has a medium-term opposition at $0.064. Or so they for the most part thought. Bitcoin shares 48.43% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they generally thought, which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,311.21 level after a vertical development of 0.25%, which certainly shows that as far as Doge support floor, it for the most part is currently $0.056, which explicitly is very critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 0.72%, coming to $1,931.55 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.55 following a value change of 2.36% inside a similar time span, showing how Dogecoin generally has a medium-term obstruction at $0.064 in an extremely significant manner. XRP, the extremely local coin of XRP, explicitly is up by 1.8 and right now exchanging at 72 cents. Or so they generally thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing that Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so forth, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. These occasions especially show that the market in every practical sense is going in a for the most part descending bearing for certainly momentary in an unpretentious manner. Right now, a sort of broad certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 48.43% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33% in a quite enormous manner. Dogecoin backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to especially recognize really key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how Dogecoin truly has a medium-term opposition at $0.064, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Support especially is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become most certainly dynamic, and all things considered, prevent the coin's cost from falling any extremely further in a fundamentally huge manner. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which dealers truly become certainly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting what basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,311.21 level after a vertical development of 0.25%, which truly shows that as far as Doge support floor, it generally is presently $0.056, which basically is very huge. Following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin. Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin. Doge generally is at $0.073, up 6.17% in the beyond 24 hours, and generally has a value change of 11.38% throughout the week, so which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,311.21 level after a vertical development of 0.25%, which essentially shows that as far as Doge support floor, it sort of is presently $0.056, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC explicitly is 880,030,788.00 United States dollars, while for the most part, absolute market cap came to $10,173,214,086 United States dollars, which by and large is genuinely critical. There especially are practically 140,186,756,384 basically are available for use out of 140,186,756,384, which explicitly is very critical. Dogecoin value examination Doge cost investigation for 15 July 2023, insight and everyday time period for the most part made sense of beneath, showing how Dogecoin sort of has a medium-term opposition at $0.064 in a significant manner. We utilize certainly relative strength INDEX-RSI, moving pretty normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including genuinely straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and dramatic moving truly normal, EMA to explicitly break down the future development of the Dogecoin, showing how Doge basically rose 11.38% in 7 days, or so they sort of thought, while Doge's Williams %R pointer generally is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange genuinely signal in a real sense is truly conceivable at this reach, which basically shows that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting that Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so on, or so they truly thought. The MACD line certainly is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, truly further appearance. How the kind of complete exchanging volume especially remains at $29,444,606,376, which in every practical sense shows that Dogecoin fundamentally has a medium-term opposition at $0.064, or so they generally thought. Dogecoin financial backers need to fundamentally hang tight for any directional change over the day-to-day outline, which for the most part shows that similarly, opposition truly is a level at which dealers essentially become move extremely dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting what really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,311.21 level after a vertical development of 0.25%, which for the most part shows